I made a cup cannon, check it out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, let's get started. Let's make one. Cups, cups, cups. Yep, you're gonna need some paper cups. You will also need scissors, some ping pong balls, duct tape or some strong tape, something to poke through the cups. I'm using a bamboo skewer, a stapler, and some elastic energy. Okay, and let's look at the first one I made. I'm gonna take this apart so we see how it's really constructed. You can see there are 3 cups, and I noticed there's some rubber bands here, and when I pull back it snaps. And I can see that's cut open, so it launches the ball. Okay, let's start to take this one apart. Okay, so I can see that the rubber bands are attached at the top of that one. And if I look closely, I can see that they're connected through a small hole right there. Okay, oh, this is pretty easy. It's a tube. All right, let's start by making that. All right, I've got the 2 cups and I need to cut the bottoms off, just like this, so it's a tube. Grab the scissors. I'm going to start by poking a hole. Now, I don't want to poke a hole into something, so I'm going to make sure to set it down on my workspace. Now that I have a hole, I can poke in the scissors and start to trim this. And that looks pretty rough. I'm going to go ahead and trim a little more. This time I will cut off the edge. Next one, same thing. Poke down. Make some rough cuts. Now I can get my scissors in there. Okay, that works. And I'm not going to need these handles, so I'll go ahead and trim those off. Okay, now I'm going to tape these together. If you need to, you can put one hand inside and your other hand can push against the tape and your finger inside. Okay, so here's the first one I made. I've made the tube. Now I'll work on this part. Well, I can tell there are some rubber bands here. All right. I'm going to take this apart so I understand how it works. Pulling that. Oh, I see it's looped through itself. Okay. Okay. Grab the paper cup and something to poke with. I'm going to try to poke a hole in this cup. I can tell it's bending. I might have to get my thumbtack. Hold on. Okay, I've got my thumbtack here. Now I'll poke a hole. Maybe I'll poke from the inside here. That works a lot better. Now I want to poke a hole on the opposite side, right there. These holes need to fit a rubber band, so they're going to need to be bigger. Maybe I can use something to make the hole bigger. This might work. Nope, it's already damaged. I'll get a toothpick. Hold on. Okay, I've got a toothpick. I'll try that out. That's kind of working. Try the other side. Maybe now this will work. Now we're talking. Okay, I'm going to try to put the rubber bands through this hole. It's not really going through. It's quite small. Maybe I'll use the end of this to push it through. There we go. Now I can grab it. Once you have the rubber band in the cup, you want to take this loop right here and put it through this loop, like this. Grab it. All right, let's try to get it on the other side. I have 2 loops. I'm going to pass one of them through the other one. Great, now they're connected. The next step is to connect this rubber band to one side of your tube cup. That's where the stapler comes in. I'm going to staple it right there. And I want this one to be on the opposite side, but I can't do it while it's under tension. I'm going to take this off and look where the other side is. One's right there, so the other one will be right there. Now I will staple this on. Okay. Now, just for safety, I'm going to put a little bit of tape there so it doesn't snap off. Tape. Now I will wrap it around so the rubber band and the staple stay where I want them to stay. Cool. Okay, time to test it. Whoa.